I am Siegfried Lerchbaumer. I run an agency for construction ecology, energy, and ambient air hygiene. For general cleaning, there are two philosophies. On the one hand, you can use conventional cleaning agents, and on the other hand, there are systems like ENJO, which abstain from using any chemicals and use only dry or damp fibers. We were very interested in comparing the amounts of solvents people expose themselves to when cleaning. The results illustrated that the product without eco-label showed the highest digits. The labeled product showed a significantly lower exposure, and of course there was no exposure to solvents at all when using the ENJO fiber because it is avoided completely. The advantages are therefore tremendous.